Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the FNBO Business credit card that they offer. It's a Visa. You guys might have seen some videos out there about their personal card. They offer a soft pull. That's what we're going to be getting in today. I spoke to them on the phone as well today to find out some data points for you guys. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. And before I get into the data points, if you could please, if you're not already a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it if you just hit that subscribe button below and hit the bell notification for all notifications. I'd really appreciate it, and smash that thumbs up. Helps the channel grow. So without further ado, we're talking about, again, FNBO. They're one of the largest banks out there. They underwrite a lot of credit cards, personal and business. So I applied a couple weeks ago for the personal card, which I'll make a video about that on my Credit Josh channel. So that'll be in a couple days from now. But I didn't do the business one, but I did get data points on this business one. So what's nice about it is they, on both personal and business, they let you do a soft pull to see if you qualify or not. I did get approved. On the soft pull, it said 15,500 approval, but then when I actually did the hard inquiry, they gave me 14,000. So still not bad at all. So like I said, this is the business evergreen card. It is the business edition. You earn unlimited 2% cash back on all purchases, every day, everywhere. No annual fee, no category restrictions, no rewards expiration. Earn 10,000 bonus points every anniversary with 10,000 annual spend. 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 billing cycles after the account was opened. And then you'll get the variable APR after that between 15 and 22%, depending on your credit worthiness. So it's not a bad card to have at all. I will tell you guys the data points real quick, so this isn't a long video. When I spoke to them today, they said that they, even with the business one, they only pull Experian personal, soft pull for the pre-qualification. So here's the application. It's pretty straightforward. Down at the bottom, you're going to select small business and put your business legal name. It's still going to require the personal guarantee. So keep that in mind. You put your annual personal income there, and then you're going to hit check for offers. So you want to make sure that your Experian personal credit is unlocked or unfrozen, because they're going to need to do a soft pull. It says right up here, no impact to your credit score. So you'll get at least the offer, and then after that, then if you want to proceed with it, if they give you an offer, then it's going to be a hard pull on Experian. They don't tend to approve people instantly. It takes a couple days. And sometimes they need to verify your identity further. So it just kind of depends on the situation. Good thing about this card, though, is one, it does not show up on your personal credit as far as utilization or anything like that. That's just for the initial hard pull. Like I said, Experian personal. And it does not report to personal credit at all, unless you default. It does report, though, monthly to Dun and Bradstreet. That's what the rep told me today. They report the usage monthly to Dun and Bradstreet, so that's great. And the Small Business Financial Exchange. They also offer a secured Visa card. I don't really know the data points on that, but it's request your own credit limit between 2,000 and 100,000, multiples of 50. So annual fee of $39. So it's not bad. Keep in mind, you guys, this is also a geo-restricted bank, so it's not going to be available everywhere. So when you hit apply now, it's going to ask you for your zip code. So you're going to put in your zip code. And then if it's going to be available in your location, then it's going to show you the application here. keep in mind, you want to do the small business. And I don't know why you'd want to do personal. I did personal. I didn't really notice the business part, but, you know, so you just do the small business. And they don't check anything to do with your business per se. Like if you're a new business, it really doesn't matter because it's your personal credit that they're relying on. So it doesn't matter if you have established business or not established business. It's all going to be personal guaranteed and checked on your personal Experian. So like I said, you're just going to come to this, fill out the one-page application, and it will give you an offer if you qualify or not. FNBO is not so inquiry sensitive, but they don't like to see so many like inquiries in the last, say, you know, month or so. And you're not going to want to have too many derogatories, if any at all. You want to try to, you know, keep that to a minimum. And I'm trying to think what else the representative told me. You want to keep, also you have your utilization obviously under 20-30%. That's going to help you even on the business side, you know. And yeah, I think that is it. I'm trying to think if there was anything else, but like I said, it's a soft inquiry, and at least in my case and a few of our subscribers, they've got approved for it on the personal and business side. So, you know, it might be something good for you to get this card. So I think that's it. I don't want to make this video any longer, but yeah, definitely check it out. I'll have the link in the description below. If you guys have any questions, comment, and I'll try to get the questions answered. There's a few other FNBO underwritten cards, business and personal cards, that I'm going to try to get content together for those as well. But like I said, you want to have at least a 670, 680 FICO score, not really derogatories. But anyways, like I said, it's still a soft pull, so that'll give you an idea. If it comes back and says, you know, can't qualify you, then it's spot on probably on that. So you want to make sure that you do the soft pull and make sure that you have your Experian personal credit unlocked or unfrozen, you know, just so that's not going to be an issue at all. And like I said before, you guys, interbanking relationship is key. So like Navy Federal and Synchrony Bank, on the business side, you know, those are all banks you want to have good relationships with. And FNBO underwrites a lot of different cards out there. So I think once you know, start a good relationship with them, you know, there's other cards out there that I'll be doing reviews on here soon. Like I said, I only have the personal one that I just got approved for. I'm not sure if I can apply for the business one or not. Maybe in a couple months I'll check out that. But till next time, you guys take care. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow. Share the video if you found it helpful. Smash that thumbs up. All right, until next time, you guys take care. Thanks again. Bye-bye.